Bye-bye.
Ayos. Bye-bye.
Let's go.
O, ingat ha. Pia,
Bye.
dasal.
Bye. Here's mine. Anyway, we're going to Palawan. Here, ma.
Nasa Joy Beach pa ata.
We're here. We have arrived at... Hindi ko alam. Basta sa airport. Hindi ko na po kita niyo ako.
Baka mamaya na. Wait lang, magpupula din ako.
Our dreams.
Wait lang, magpupula din ako ng kaya ko yan. Ang galing ano, pare-pare sila naman.
Say hi to my vlog. Hi. We're here at Terminal 2.
Uy, ngayon ko lang napansin, baong nga.
Pero hindi naman.
Dumating sila pa rin, pero on a day 1, pero mga 11.
Ah,
So, ang
okay.
ginawa nila, ang day 2 nila, pinagsiksikan yung pang-day 2. Kumbaga, yung pre-time dapat nila ng day 2, napunta sa...
We got our ticket. Oh my God.
Mabuhay lang.
Hi, say hi. Hi. We finally found our gate 17. Ganda mo dyan. Ay! Finally, we're here. Dahil nung nilakad namin.
Your flight is expected to depart at 2781 bound for Puerto Princesa. Flight PR2781 bound for Puerto Princesa. Your boarding gate assignment is at gate number 17.
Sophia.
Thank you po. Say hi. Sakto. Si Ali. Asan si Ali? Ay, ito pala si Ali. Nahanap kita.
Hi!
Hi. Hi. Nasa, ano na kami? Bus. Parang tita ko mag-vlog, no? Pinapakita lang yung ano. Yung nagsasalita. Buti natapos ko yung kilay ko. Boarding na kami. Alam ko na pala, nasa bus kami. Papunta sa airplane namin. Airplane namin. Masaya namin. Sasakay kami ng airplane. We don't care if mukha kami bano. Morning po. We're here on the plane.
The aircraft is Captain Viceral, and this is your D7 Cruise. Our flight time is approximately 1 hour, and we shall be cruising at an altitude of your gentle buckle and pull 25 and masks will shuffle about you. Move your personal face mask in, immediately grab the aircraft. Pull out the back perspective and breathe normally. Keep back.
Kausapin.
morning, ladies and gentlemen. Captain speaking. We are now 90 nautical miles to Puerto, and we are now on our descent. Based on latest weather report, we are expecting good weather at Puerto Princesa with a ground visibility of 8 kilometers and ground temperature of 28 degrees Celsius. We estimate our arrival time to be at 6:28 this morning. Time check for convenience. It's 6:05. Well, please enjoy the rest of the flight. And I'd like to thank you for choosing to fly PAL Express at Philippine Airlines, the heart of the Filipino. Mabuhay.
Malanting na kami. At start na tayo ako. Wala ko marinig.
Safety requirement, cab lights will be switched off. Many lights are found on your service panel.
Sakit. Parang tutugo.
Welcomes you to Puerto Princesa. Time for convenience is 27 minutes past the hour of 6 in the morning. And today is 28th of April 2024. On behalf of Captain Visceral, First Officer Lintag, and the rest of the crew, we thank you for flying Philippine Airlines. The heart of the Filipino. Mabuhay at maraming salamat po.
Sabi ko, dala. Cares low. Basta yung ano. Ay! Puerto Princesa Airport. Mag-video na ako kasi nakuha ko na ID ko.
Kaya pala tulala ka.
Yeah. Naiwanan ko yung ID ko sa plane. Pati to.
You deserve.
Sige na nga, hindi na kita tatarayan.
Ganda ng ngiti ko.
Tapos, nakalimutan ko yung... Bibis na. Tapos nakalimutan ko nga yung ID ko sa plane.
Mag-CCR na.
Tapos tatakbo ako. Thank you doon sa guard. Magtutour na?
Good as hot.
Ito naman is a story. Hi, we're here at Baker's Hill. Sobrang init, sobrang init. Yun lang. Para lang kaming picture and run. Bili ng
Sayang, salt water and freshwater crocodile. And also, para po ma-introduce ang crocodile farming sa mga Filipino entrepreneurs. Kasi
Itong buto at balat ng isang lalaking soap
Hi, we're here at Crocodile Farm.
Yes.
Titingnan
We're
namin.
visiting some relatives of Princess
Oh,
Fiona.
we're gonna see baby crocodiles. And big crocodiles. Haggard na ba ako? Sorry. Yung buti yung malaki. Oo. Gusto ko sa... Hands up down. Sabi, mag-ingat daw kami kasi kahit maliliit sila. Kasi kahit maliliit daw sila. Kaya na lang to. Oh, ang dami! Oh my God, kaya na lang tumalon and mga gat, kumain, mamutol. Oh my God. Arte. Yun na, yun na, yun na, yun na. Yun na.
Ikaw una-una ha?
Ha? Ang dami nila. Gina.
Tandaan lang po yung mga importanteng gamit. Pagkata po tayo.
Ay, shit, akit kami. Buti pa siya nagsiswimming. Hala, totoo siya. Totoo siya, guys. Ay, oh my God! Sorry, OA. OA ba? Pero ang laki niya, ate. Totoo ba yan? Hindi siya nagsiswimming. Totoo ba siya?
Sige, everyone, please move forward.
Totoo ata.
First screen, nasa likod niya naman po ay si Mar. Si Mar naman po ay may 14 feet.
Si tahimik lang.
Parang mahuna yung ano.
So, pinapakain po.
Tara na kuya, parang ako na. Ayoko na. Parang kamatayan yung ginagawa ko.
Ano ba? Bakit ka natatakot?
Hindi, kasi parang mahuna yung metal.
Dito ko tumapa.
Parang lumulubog. Din eh. Sa ganito.
Nandito freshwater or
Hoy,
Philippine
pucha.
crocodile. They're about 5 to 7 years old.
Uy, ba't tumutunog?
So later on, makikita nyo din po yung adult size nila.
Adult.
Freshwater
Sige na, tara na. Bilis, Okay, sige. Parang magiging dinner pa ako.
Dito naman po,
Lunch.
pwede
Ito
po
ako.
mga pictures dito, sir. Sinong capturer nila? Aklan, yes. Papakain sa loob. Mga keepers po natin na magagaling. Yes. Nandito po sa last fence natin.
Ay, salamat po. Patalan. Grabe na ako to. Ang lalaki nila.
Sobrang laki.
Lalo na yung nasa unahan kanina. Hold daw. Tara, hold tayo. Tara.
Sige, hold lang naman.
Ano po, short orientation before we go inside the garden also.
Hoy, tara. Bago pala sila. Kaya nga, gusto ko yung ano. Wala ko naman sobrang daming bakit. Grabe yung disappointment. Rinig na rinig.
Huwag niyong likotin, lolo niya yan.
Yung likutin niya, mga
Sorry. Oh my God. Hi.
Okay na.
No. Oh my God.
Stay here for a couple of days, weeks or months, then after that, babalik na po sila sa mountain 200 kilometers away from here. And back in the mountain, another set ng family po ang pupunta po dito at magdadala ng kanilang produkto. Sila po yung magbabahagi ng kanilang rich culture and traditions. So what we have here is a livelihood program because we know glass and other related products. So, sir, bakit? And this is bakit the native backpack which made of rattan. We use it to carry back big. We put the product here inside and if this package is full or head support to carry even more weight of the product. At yung package po na yan kaya magdala ng at least 50 kg ng kanilang produkto. At yung
This was used by the Japanese Imperial Army. This is where they placed 150 reluctantly going to the air raid shelter. They were looking up, saying, there are no planes. So they went back to the barracks. This happened on the third time. They were forced by the Japanese Imperial Army, so they had to walk. And while they were there wondering what's going to happen, they had to be this thing. It's quite far from me. And they were poured with gasoline. Imagine
Let's make a night. You won't remember, I'll be the one. Ay, nasa hotel na kami. Nakatapos lang namin mamili ng souvenir. Nakaano ko, 2K. Pero, yain na. Hindi na tayo dito pa. I'll be the one.
Andulan.
Na-announce ng aming room assignment. Na-announce ko sa inyo. So, my room buddies are Bea, Ali, and Thea. Sarap po strawberry lemonade. Grabe yung change outfit sa isang araw. Who cares though? Hindi, doon lang. Hi, we're here again at Isla Restaurant. Basta, mamaya, sabihin ko. Dinner naman, kanina lunch. Masarap talaga, masarap. Ay, wala na yung ribs. May kahata. Sabaw. Kasi may sakit ako. Ano yun? Bumili ka? Magkano? Goosh. Goosh. Ay! No.
Promise me you'll always be. I'll be by
Hello po, good evening. Pwede po makahingi ng password ng wifi? Pwede po makahingi ng password ng wifi? TZ? 7 para 7. Thank you. Thank you so much po. Hi. Tapos ko lang maligo. Hindi ko alam po saan natapos yung pag-video ko. Sa dinner yata. Noras na. 9:51. Tulog na si Bea eh. Ganun ka. Kaso kanya yung isa. Apat yun. Yung isa tayo. Here, mag-vlog!